असलियत मूवी में आमिर खान का कैरेक्टर पहले कुछ और होने वाला था, लेकिन फिर आमिर खान ने अपनी फिल्मी नॉलेज की वजह से उस कैरेक्टर को थोड़ा अलग बनाया।
The way Raju had written it originally, he had all the funny, smart one-liners, and he was a bit of a hero. So in his introduction, if you've seen the film, he walks in and he gives some smart comments and oh, shock walk de deta hai. The whole scene was written with a lot of herogiri, and even with the principal after that, he's constantly scoring, you know. And the attitude the writers had taken, Raju and Abhijat, was that he's a bit cocky, I felt, you know. So I said, Raju, I have one fear. I like the script. I have one fear. Rancho, right now, the way you've written him, by the time 1/3 of the film is over, people are going to get really irritated with him. इतना डेढ़ शाना है वो यार, हर चीज के लिए he's got an answer, and you know, yeah, he's got no flaws. He's very good in studies. He's very smart. He's giving left, right, and all. सबको, you know, after a point, he'll really get on your nerves. So he said, what do you suggest? I said, what I suggest is that I don't play it the way you've written it. You've written it over smart. So let me play it that he's very excited and he's very childlike and he's very curious. So he's saying the same things, but he's not saying it to be funny. When the principal says, ये astronaut pen है और ये space में भी चलता है फलाना ढिमका, पता नहीं कितने मिलियन का है. Rancho is like, why didn't the astronauts use a pencil? Everyone laughs. He looks behind, ये लोग हंस क्यों रहे हैं? मैं जोक तो नहीं कर रहा हूँ, मैं तो actually पूछ रहा हूँ. What I did is I tried to make him a guy who's just curious